It's time to figure out how to fix the Worcester Bosch boiler's F0272 error code. The F0272 error code in your Worcester Bosch boiler relates to the defective heat control module and the control box. Let's see what causes the F0272 error. The first cause of this error is the defective HCM installation. Remember, this HCM plays an important role in the boiler's performance. But if it's not installed correctly or securely, you'll trigger the F0272 error code. The next cause is HCM malfunction. If it's not working correctly, it could mean a faulty HCM or its poor connections. This heat control module must function properly to keep your boiler working well. Another possible reason is the boiler's faulty control box. This component is in charge of controlling different functions. If the control box is faulty or has weak connections, it can trigger this error. Let's see how to fix the F0272 error code. Sometimes, a simple boiler reset can resolve the issue, much like rebooting your computer. If you're unsure or not familiar with this process, it's best left to a professional gas engineer. Remember, boiler issues can be tricky and need special know-how. Our best advice is to get in touch with a certified gas-safe engineer. They'll carefully inspect and fix the problem correctly, so you can have peace of mind. Service steam heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models. As the accredited Worcester Bosch boiler installer, we guarantee to meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below in the description to book a service team heating engineer. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.